Hello everyone, good evening. Hope you are doing good. And let us just start with the last lecture of the topic expansion formula so that we can complete it today and we can go ahead with the next topic in our next lecture that will be variation. So what we have studied in our previous class, that is the questions which were based on, let me just take the pen. So in previous lecture, we have studied questions based on a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, and please keep it one thing in mind. These questions are very easy. Let me just write it here only. Questions which we did were based on a plus b plus c the whole square, which is equal to, I hope my screen is visible. Okay, so it is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, and on this we had solved few questions, and today we are going to solve the remaining questions. I'll just switch off my video for better streaming purpose and we'll start the solving part. These questions are easy. Let me tell you again, there is no need to be मतलब बोलते हैं डरने का जरूरत नहीं है. You need not be afraid of this question, and these are easy. So first question is x minus 2y plus 3 the whole square plus x plus 2y minus 3 the whole square. So apply the formula and try to solve it. And just give me a moment since there is some background disturbance. So sorry for the inconvenience and let's begin. So just formulate this, try to expand. So here it's going to be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. If you see at the both end the terms are same. First of all, फिर ये bracket, don't forget this bracket ना, it will cost you very heavily. Plus a square, shall I write it down only so that there is no confusion? So plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. सिर्फ साइन में थोड़ा फर्क था. Next, there is going to be x square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 6x if I am not wrong, isn't it? So x square plus 4y square plus 9, इधर तुम लोग ध्यान से देखो टर्म इधर ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 2x minus 2y and here it's 2x 2y. ठीक है, so you cancel it there itself, then you will get 6x. ये वाला टर्म डायरेक्टली ये पूरा उड़ जाएगा. ठीक है, so plus 6x. If you don't understand, do let me know. Okay, minus 4xy, ये वाला टर्म आ जाएगा minus 4xy. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 and x into y is xy. ठीक है, ये टर्म कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, डोंट वरी. ये वाला, तो minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. अभी तुमको समझेगा क्या कैंसिल करने का क्या नहीं. Thank God. So here it's going to be 2x square, ये x square और एक x square आना मांगता है, and I hope miss that x square. 6x के बाद x square आएगा. So it happens sometimes. So either there would be plus x square plus 4y square. ठीक है, ये ऐड होएगा. So x square plus x square is 2x square plus 4y square plus 4y square is 8y square. And what else? Plus 18 plus 9 plus 9. So plus 18 minus 24y. Okay, understood? It's easy, don't worry. Next question पे जाते हैं, if you all don't mind. If you are having any doubt, do let me know. I'm going a bit slow. You can always ask in the comment section कि कैसे हुआ sir. Please explain again. I will definitely explain all again. ठीक है? 3k minus 4r minus 2m. तो 3k minus 4r ये क्या हो गया? 3k minus 4r minus 2m the whole square minus 3k minus 3k plus 4r minus 2m the whole square. Here it's going to be a square. So now can I write directly? So here it's going to be a square, that is 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square plus 2 into 3k into minus 4r. ठीक है? Plus 2 into minus 4r into minus 2m plus 2 into minus 2m into 3k. नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट में पूरा नेक्स्ट ये वाला पार्ट पूरा ब्रैकेट में कर रहा हूँ सो दैट तुमको समझे, सिंस बीच में माइनस साइन है अंदर सबका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. सो इट गोइंग टू बी माइनस 9k स्क्वायर. टर्म्स विल रिमेन सेम. ओके, 16r स्क्वायर प्लस 4m स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into 3k into 4r, इधर साइन अलग है सिर्फ, प्लस 2 into 4r into minus 2m plus 2 into minus 2m into 3k. Okay, now just open this bracket. So here it's going to be 9k square. This color is not so good. Let me take black color. So here it's going to be 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm. This is kr, 24kr plus 16rm minus 12mk minus 9k square. Oh my god, there are so many terms. Just give me a moment. 9k square minus 16r square minus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm plus 12mk. Thank God. Just solve and tell me. Just give me a moment. Just solve and check what is the answer. And I'll wait for your answer. I hope you all have at least tried to solve this much. And let us check, verify your answer. So it's going to be minus 9k. ये तो कट हो जाएगा, ये भी कट हो जाएगा. फिर 16r स्क्वायर प्लस 16r स्क्वायर माइनस 16r स्क्वायर कट हो जाएगा प्लस 4m माइनस 4m भी कट हो जाएगा. So sad. Then minus 24kr and minus 24kr is equal to minus 48kr plus 32rm. So this is the answer. Simple question, most simplest question. इससे simple तो मिल ही नहीं पाएगा किधर. Let us solve remaining two questions and we will end the session. Just give me a moment and we'll go for the last question. Second last, in fact. So sorry. Here, its first question is done. I hope it was easy for you all. Second was also easy. Now we'll do third. Third is the last question. So sweet. I thought there is fourth question as well. Anyways, so this is a very good chapter for me at least. And even if you practice, it will be your favorite topic. But please, 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 I request watch the videos n number of time. Try to solve it again and again. But don't leave it as an option, since all other topics of your mathematics requires the basic formulas. Okay, 7a plus 6b minus 5c square. Okay, here it's equal to 49a square plus 36b square plus 25c square plus 2 into 7a minus 6b plus 2 into minus 6b into 5c plus 2 into 5c into 7a. I hope I'm not wrong. A, B, B, C, C. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. 5c 7a हो गया. Then plus 49a square plus 36b square plus 25c square plus 2 into 7a into 6b plus 2 into 6b into minus 5c plus 2 into CA. So minus 5c and 7a. Open this brackets, everything. So here it's going to be 49e square plus 36b square plus 25c square minus 84ab. I hope I'm not wrong. Minus 60bc plus 70ca. Yes, we are right. Plus 70ca plus 49a square plus 36b square plus 25c square plus 84ab minus 60bc minus 70ca, which is equal to 98a square plus 72b square. Please go on checking with me, okay? Plus 50c square, okay? Minus 120bc. So with this, we are done with this question also, okay? एंड किधर से आया तो ये ऐड किया ये एंड ये फिर ये एंड ये फिर ये एंड ये देन माइनस 84 एंड प्लस 84 ये भी तो कैंसिल हो गया था माइनस 60 माइनस 6 ये प्लस 70 ये भी कैंसिल हो गया ये भी कैंसिल हो गया ठीक है so this is how we derived my god it's looking so shabby but please write with me so that ऐसा हालत ना हो तुम लोग का. And last but not the least, let me just write down the formulas for you all the formulas that we have studied in this topic. Okay, all the formulas, not only few, all the formulas, whichever we have studied. So let's start with the basic. पूरा ठीक है a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube. A minus b से मतलब a plus b लिखते हैं a cube plus 3a square b minus 3 plus 3ab square plus b cube. Then let us study about a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Then a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square or no is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus to AC. Then here it's going to be, what else we can do? A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then we have x plus a, x plus b. Thank God. Is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So these are the only set of formulas that we have studied in this particular topic. Nothing else we have studied. Okay. And if you want, I am having one practical sheet. Practical sheet in the sense prerequisite, rather than prerequisite, I could say it would be a क्या बोलते हैं उसको worksheet type of thing. Okay, to be more precise, it would be a worksheet type of thing. Just give me a moment. I'll just share that worksheet with you all. So if you want to solve that worksheet, you are free to solve it. Okay, and you can send me for checking also in the mail ID which I'll be providing to you all. Hmm, I hope the worksheet is visible to you. Give me a moment. It's loading. So this is the worksheet. Uh, Actually, this was planned very earlier. That is that I will be completing this topic by so and so date. But unfortunately, this was a very pre-planned thing, which couldn't be executed due to many factors. So these are the worksheet, which is of 30 marks or 35 marks. 35 marks का worksheet है. If you want, I'll share this PDF with you. Uh, I'll provide the link to this PDF in description section of the video. There are questions, each question, there are total, I guess, 4 questions, yes, 4 questions, each question having 1 or 2 questions in it. So I would suggest you please solve this and submit. It's not a big exercise, and also it's based on this particular formula. So this all thing I already taught you: a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, so and so. So this is prerequisite. So it would be beneficiary. Okay, so stay tuned. Next topic we are going to start, that is variation, and I'll share this PDF with you all. I'll just copy this link and I'll share it. Okay, so bye bye till then, stay tuned and have a good day.